Hello guys, my name is Olivia and today we are at the JVIC laser production base. And I will lead you to witness how a laser cutting machine is produced in this intelligent factory. And now let's go. This year is actually the 21st year since JVIC has been founded. JVIC is one of the earliest exporter of laser cutting machine in China. So far, JVIC products has been exported over 180 countries and regions, where customers can always find after-sales support online or on-site. JVIC owns over 200,000 square meters R&D centers and production bases, with nearly 200 patents and international awards. International awards, CE and FDA certifications. JVIC products provided unparalleled precision and quality. And now what we see is JVIC's fiber laser machine intelligent factory. With an annual capacity of over 20,000 units per year, JVIC creates countless miracles every year. Cutting the metal parts for the workbed. Robot automated welding, safe and efficient. Workbed annealing. Polishing and cleaning will go through a roller conveyor and blow over the rust. Leveling and second-time polishing. Spray coating the workbed. Gantry milling. It will make sure the parallelism accuracy. Automated assembly. The automated guided vehicle material handling and the human-machine collaborative devices will increase efficiency and save labor. After completing assembly, another important thing that cannot be neglected is the quality inspection. Laser interferometer tests the position and accuracy of the machine. Double ball bar tests the machine bed's parallel and perpendicularity. Our machine running tests electricity, mechanism, and outload quality tests. And finally, the machine will be carefully cleaned and packed and ready to go. This showroom displays all kinds of JVIC products and very cool samples. What else do you want to know about JVIC? Leave us your comment and I will show you around.